Alright, I got a market recap. Did not take any trades all week. Completely fine with that. Just, kind of working on building good habits rather than taking trades and winning trades. So, content with the day, content with the week. Just, it is annoying, but what can you do? Okay, so this is the 1 hour, on NASDAQ. We had no news Friday, so wasn't expecting too much, but never am. So on NQ here, before we had this hourly high, this hourly low, and then we had this external low, and then previous day low. I wasn't really expecting that to get hit, and then for ES we had this hourly low. I had these hourly highs marked out, and then these, and then previous day low. So what happens? The first thing we do is we push past this hourly high, all-time highs as well, and I see that this body here, this candle body on the hourly, completely disrespected the hourly highs, not really respecting it whatsoever. But if you go to the 5-minute here, my boy who I know took this trade, but yeah, this is not something I would have taken. I also wasn't even on the charts. I was in fucking class, but I wouldn't have taken this trade. I'll go over in a sec, but okay. So we sweep this hourly high. We push up, like we push very high. We displace 40 points above it, and then we start displacing lower, and then we finally come beneath the low, and then we get our 5-minute retracement, and that was at 10:10 a.m. Keep that in mind. And where would I take profit be? This 9:25 hourly low. I think this was, yeah, this was an hourly low generated hourly low here, so that would be the take profit. So we get our 5-minute retracement, and then you come down here. This is the 5-minute retrace. Didn't really hit anything, but then we displace lower. We create a fair value gap here. We respect it. I'll show you. This 1 minute here, we created it, respected it, displaced out. Would have taken it on the candle close, stops above the candle wick. I created the imbalance. Take profit simply this low down here. And then there also was an imbalance here, I think it was. There was like an wait a minute, what? Alright, whatever. You guys get the point. That would have been the best trade. Actually, no, sorry. This is not a good trade for me. But this is a fine trade. My friend took this, but not me. The reason I didn't take this is simple. So keep in mind, okay, so NQR take profit was 9:25 lows. So here, those 9:25 lows, which is an hourly low, is right here. We also have bearish SMT up here. Okay, get rid of this shit. So we have bearish SMT, and I probably would have preferred to take it on ES if we got it set up, but we never did. So I'll go to the 5-minute. Never got a 5-minute retracement on ES, but oh my god. So oh my god, sorry guys. 1 second, boys. I'm kind of alright. So at 10 a.m., ES came and took that hourly low, the same hourly low that would have been our take profit on NQ, the 9:25 a.m. 9:25 a.m. Yeah. So it takes it at 10 a.m. and let's see where that is here. 10 a.m. is right here. Okay. So now that ES swept the hourly low, we have bullish SMT there because ES swept it, NQ didn't. So what happens after we sweep an hourly sell side, right? What I expect to happen is just to kind of come take some low resistance, and I guess you could say I was wrong, but that is completely breaking my rules if I were to take this trade. We swept hourly liquidity, hourly sell side on ES before NQ was even close, so we had bullish SMT the whole time during this potential trade, and yeah, like it's like common sense. I feel like when you're taking a trade, you well, like if you're taking out NQ and ES hits your take profit or your draw liquidity before NQ does, and then starts reacting, you probably take some position off or close some positions or close the whole thing. So it's the same situation here, except it happened before the potential trade. It happened before this setup arrived. So we know ES is reacting off hourly sell side. And we have SMT. So yeah, that's why I didn't take this trade. This was the SMT we had. Anyway, remove drawings. So I was like, okay, I need to wait for, I guess, a new liquidity sweep. So I need to be patient. I see that price, ES completely shit the bed. We took out previous day lows here. NQ did not, so we had bullish SMT. NQ also came down to sweep Asia lows, I think. Yeah, Asia lows. So we have this looks really clean to me on the hourly. This is like perfect for me. So I scale to the 5-minute time frame. Need to see now displacement with a retracement. We get a displacement, we inverse this 5-minute for value gap, good confidence to the upside. Get a 5-minute retracement. But as you can see, this was at fucking 11:25 a.m. and technically I hop off the charts at 11. But something I was just kind of realizing is like this setup is A++. Like I originally wanted to take the trade off of this 1-minute imbalance, but we inversed it. We came down to this one and then reacted off of it. So I was like hesitant to take this. I was pretty close to taking it, to be honest. Like I was pretty damn close to taking this trade. But the reason I didn't, I caught myself. It was 11:30 around, okay, and just showing me that time and price aren't aligning, which is, you know, kind of a big deal with my trading. Like time and price need to be aligning better than this. I get we would have came to take profit, but look at this chop work. I don't want to be in a trade through all of this, bro, and then finally hit take profit at 2 p.m. on a Friday. Like, nah, I'm not doing that. And like, bro, like once you get to that 11:30 area, this is proof that price starts to slow down, right? We kind of slow down, we get choppy, and then PM session right here, boom, PM session went right to the drawn liquidity. That's what lunch hour is, and that's what PM session is. There's AM session, right, all this, and then you have lunch hour, just accumulation, and then your PM session will start heading to the next drawn liquidity. That's how the market is. So I didn't want to take a trade knowing we're about to be in lunch hour, pretty much are already in lunch hour, and I didn't want to have to sit through a chop. So yeah, although I was like hesitant to take this, and I was close to taking it, and then once I saw price starting to run without me, I got pretty annoyed. I started to get pissed, but and then it came back down and started chopping, and I was like, all right, whatever, I'm not fucking, like I'm fine with not taking that. That's content. I'm content. So yeah, that's the full market recap. No trades all week. What else did I want to say? Yeah, I feel like I want to say something else. What is ES doing here? Yeah, ES looks way worse. Way less bullish than NQ was. But yeah, I was really considering taking this trade. It's just the timing was like off. But something I've realized is like some of your rules may just like stop you from taking good trades, even though they're like really good trades. Like if you like, let's say, have a rule where you have to like get off the charts at 10:30 if nothing's setting up, but then at like 10:45 something sets up, you're kind of just like kind of messing yourself, like screwing yourself over. So that's like pretty much this 11 a.m. rule that I have. I kind of switched it so like if at 11 a.m. price is starting to look clean, and kind of showing we're like, you know, we're setting up, I'm gonna stay on the charts until I have a clear execution. But if it gets too late, like 11:30, then definitely gonna step away. I'll probably max I'll stay till 11:10. That's probably the max I'll go with anything. Like no matter what, 11:10, I'll probably just step off the charts. But yeah, this was like a solid trading day. I mean, Fridays haven't been too bad recently. This accumulation, manipulation, D1. Or no, that's more, this is accumulation, this is manipulation, and then distribution, I guess. We generated all these lows down here, all these low resistance lows that price wanted to just shit the bed towards. So that's kind of the reason for that. But that's the whole market recap. Pretty content with the day. I just, you know, when you see like people like taking trades and winning trades and you don't, especially when like they trade the same way as you, it's like, yeah, I'm like, really, I missed that. But then you also have to like be content with the fact that you didn't take it, and maybe try to understand why you didn't take it. That's the whole recap. But yeah, I feel like I wanted to say something else also, but I can't think of it. Yeah, I've been taking Nevaeh forever, so it's just hard to not be taking trades. But I also know that building good habits like this is what's going to actually help my trading. I remember like right after I stepped away, like when I was about to take this trade and I ended up not. I was like happy with myself. I'm like, bet. I'm building good habits. Like, I'm happy I'm building good habits. I'm gonna step away and I'm gonna improve. I'm gonna get better. And get better meaning like mentally get better. Like stepping away from the charts when I should. I'm like, it's past 11:10. Fuck, I'm not taking a trade. What am I doing? And I'm glad I realized that. But yeah, that's the whole recap. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.